Hi, welcome to Vidtechy YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see what is content gap on YouTube. So what is content gap? So once you go to the Google document, the Google clearly mentioned that the content gap is when the viewer is searching for some search result, but they cannot able to get the proper quality results. So basically that is YouTube content gap. So once we find these topics, then we can able to create good quality videos for the topics. So how to find this content gap ideas? So in order to find, just go to the youtube.com and log in with your YouTube channel. So once you log in with your YouTube channel, then this is your channel page. Let's say this is my channel page. So we need to click the manage videos. Once you click the manage videos, you need to click the analytics. Just click analytics. Then you need to click this inspiration. So once you click the inspiration, then here you can able to see what your audience are searching in YouTube. Like my audience are looking for this kind of keywords here. So once I click show all, then I can able to see what my peoples are searching in the YouTube. So let's say for example content gap YouTube. See, my peoples are searching for the content gap YouTube. Then how to do advanced settings of YouTube channel. So these all are the topics that my subscriber are searching in the YouTube. Then here there is ideas. Maybe we can take this kind of ideas for our YouTube channel to make videos on. Okay. Let me come back here. So I will search for YouTube content gap. So here I will choose for YouTube content gap. Then I will scroll down, see here top searches for this topic. So these all are the top searches which is related to the topics that I am searching here. So once you scroll down here you can see the volume also. So research for YouTube content. So something like that. So once you click show all, then see here, there is a tab here called content gap. So once I click the content gap, then here this all are the video topics that my subscriber are searching on the YouTube. So these are the topics we can get from here and record a videos for our YouTube channel. If you have any questions about that, please feel free to contact our support. Thank you.